I want to share some key strategies to help you start this semester. Social work students need to know these strategies. Firstly, it's important to prepare for practice. This means understanding how theory connects to real-world practice. Engage in activities like work shadowing. It'll help you see how what you learn applies in real situations. Also, consider participating in community service or real-life projects. These experiences are not just academically enriching but also benefit our community. They give you a practical sense of your studies. I encourage you to look into international experiences, like studying abroad. This exposure is invaluable. It broadens your understanding of global social work practices. Let's talk about field education. We're moving beyond traditional models. New methods like collective learning can deepen your understanding of different settings and populations. Practice learning is also key. By creating services for groups like refugees, you integrate theory with practice. This is a meaningful way to contribute to the community. The relationship with your practice teachers is crucial. A supportive relationship enhances your learning and helps develop essential skills. Mindfulness and self-awareness are vital too. Simple mindfulness exercises can help manage anxiety and stay focused. Understanding yourself better is crucial in social work. Developing your writing and communication skills is essential. We'll use strategies to improve your writing and help you understand social work concepts better. We'll also use reflective journaling. This technique increases your engagement and helps you prepare better for classes. Finally, continuous evaluation is important. We'll regularly assess how well you're grasping and retaining knowledge. Remember, our goal is to blend theory with practical application, global exposure, innovative teaching, mindfulness, and continuous feedback. This approach will prepare you well for your future in social work. Let's embark on this journey together with enthusiasm and dedication. If you want more helpful tips, consider liking and subscribing to our channel.